Sample form and structure codes. Kathy and John. In the Christian Bible, the pair called Adam and Eve are most likely a Kathy and John pair. These people have white skin, brown hair, and brown eyes. They can access telepathy channels P and O. The female has a sex index of about 8 or 9, and similarly, the male has a sex index of about 1 or 2. The Kathy plant. This group of people is called a flower or plant group. They are native to the planet Earth in Galaxy Sector N6-129. The Kathy plant is the most basic and simple girl. Her structural code is 430, and her universal translate ID is AO. She is sometimes lonely and feels separation. She needs a mate and desires to make another Kathy plant. The John group. John is the inversion of Kathy. He has the same qualities as the female with the exception of sex. He can access telepathy channels P and O. His structural code is 430, and his universal translate ID is AO. The qualities of a human being. A human being is any life form which has some type of physical body and lives somewhere in the physical universe and can access telepathy channel O. Only humans can access this channel, which is the link to God. Therefore, although animals have souls, they do not have channel O capability and so are not human by definition. Any creature with access to channel O is human. They may be green, pink, black, or white. They may not have vocal cords and be from a race which only communicates telepathically. They may look totally alien to us. But if they can access channel O, or if they have this ability and it is simply latent due to lack of development, they are a human being. Ray and Rebecca. Ray and Rebecca are considered to be members of the animal group. They have white skin, black hair, and azure blue eyes. They can access telepathy channel O only. Their structural code is 431, and their universal translate ID is AT. There are stories from time to time of a colony of Rebeccas living inside the Earth with an access at the South Pole. A developed, mature, Ray or Rebecca has the power to channel a considerable amount of psychic energy and direct it in various ways. They are ideally suited to the practice of magic and witchcraft. When employed by governments, Ray is usually used as a doctor of medicine. A Ray can restrain, hold, any life form with his or her powers with the single exception of the Quasar Level 3, over which Ray and Rebecca are powerless. Dick and Yolanda. Dick and Yolanda are considered members of the animal group. They have black skin, black hair, and dark brown eyes. They can access all telepathy channels and their structural code is 330. Their universal translate ID is YO. The female has a sex index of 10, and the male has a sex index of 0. They are native to the planet Earth in Galaxy Sector N6-129. They are a race of sophisticated beings and can do magic, witchcraft, psychic practices, and spiritual practices. They are generally more sophisticated at this than the so-called white race. They are very competent in procreation, much more so than the white race people. Raj and Sue. This category is the people with white skin, brown eyes, and jet black hair. They are members of the flower or plant group. These people are natives of the planet Earth. They can access telepathy channels O and P. The females have a sex index of 10, and the males have a sex index of 0. Their IG symbol is OT, and the structural modeling code is 320. The American Indian group. This category includes the reddish skin, brown eyes, black hair people. These people are natives of the planet Earth. They can access telepathy channels P and O. Their IG symbol is VT and their structural modeling code is 210. The females have a sex index of 10 and the males have a sex index of 0. When they were free in their natural state, these people were reasonably advanced spiritually. This has now degenerated somewhat because of the harm done to them by the government of the United States. The Oriental people. This category includes all of the yellowish skin, brown-eyed people, Japanese, Chinese, Malays, etc. These people are native of the planet Earth. Their religious doctrines are very precise and accurate. They can access telepathy channels P and O. Their IG symbol is IT, and their structural modeling code is 110. The females have a sex index of 10, and the males have a sex index of 0. Cal and Callie. We really should mention the administrator of the lower worlds and his mate. They are Cal and Callie. They live in the upper part of the astral world and do not have physical bodies. Their IG symbol is KN and their structural modeling code is 01 for Cal and 10 for Callie. They can access all telepathic communication channels and are masters of magic, witchcraft, and all known sciences. Children are not born to residents of the astral world. However, they do have sex, and Cal and Callie have sex indices of 0 and 10.